Hi guys, welcome to mrftech. Today we're going to talk about JBL Clip 4. This is a JBL Clip 4, an outdoor speaker, and to be honest, I'm using it for a week and it has an amazing speakers which is loud with an amazing bass, and to be honest, it has so clear, crispy sounds with it, and I'm just blown out with the speaker, with that price, with such a high quality sound with it. Yeah, so let's go and let's unpack it and see what's inside it. Packaging, to be honest, is really premium because for a price like that, the speaker coming with a packaging like this is quite a weird thing, because it's not that expensive when you hear it, and with that price you're getting an amazing speaker like this. It's really amazing. So this is the manual, and this is a Type-C charging cable. The speaker is amazing look wise, with a metal finishing, and when you touch it you will feel like there's a texture of clothing. You will feel like it has those heavy stitches all around it, but actually it's all metal. It's all metal, but it feels really premium, and it has those rubbery back on the grip for like this plate pose button, sound increasing and decreasing, and this is the power on, and this is a Bluetooth connectivity, and there's the light that flashes on and off, and so mixed up. Like there's metal, there's rubber, there's those hard cloth, cloth type of, it feels like it's made of clothes, but it's a material, I guess, but it feels different, it feels premium. The sound is amazing because it has a speaker of 42 mm. It says a 42 mm 1.5 inch speaker, and the amazing part is it can last up to 12 hours, but in the packaging it says 10 hours because it has a 3000 mAh battery in it. So this is an amazing thing, and also these buttons, they just popped out. They're not just slimmed and fitted in, they're popping out. Those buttons with the rubber texture in it looks so good. They're buttons, but they are so popped out with the designs and all that. It looks amazing. So let's turn it on. All I have to do, press it twice. Man, when you turn it on, you will understand what I'm trying to say. The bass hits your hand so hard, you can feel it on your heart. There's so much bass in it. So as you can see, it's flashing. So from there you can see, you can check your charging indicator and all that. If it's low in battery, it will indicate red, and if you press it on this one, it will start pairing. All you have to turn it off, all you have to do is just press it twice again. It's turned off, and it has a volume up and down and blank pause button, and there's the JBL logo. So it's an amazing speaker with an amazing sound, and from the look wise it's amazing. It has a rubbery texture on the back, so when you put it on your back, when you clip it on your back, it won't wiggle like this so much because it has those rubbery texture on the back, and it's also really heavy, so you can just keep a grip on with your back, so it will stay still. So it's a good thing, amazing, and this just the sound, okay? restrict your voice and instrument. You can hear everything. Even in outdoor, it's really loud. So let's go with the price. This thing cost me around $50. Yeah, it's mind blowing, right? It's $50. You can get a compact size speaker, and it's just amazing. I think with this price, you're getting a branded speaker with compact size. You can take it anywhere, and it can last up to 10 hours to 12 hours. Depends on your how much volume you're using. This is amazing. So I'll leave a link in the description if you like it, so you can check it out there. And hope you guys like the video.